We will see some interesting examples of this. One day, Tufan Turtle was playing on the banks of the pond with his favorite toy. Suddenly, the toy slipped from his hand and fell into the pond. Immediately, Tufan jumped into the pond and started searching for it. Tufan's toy looks like this. But what is this? Tufan's toy was colorful.
Can you identify the shape in Tufan's toy?
And fill the colors in the picture again. Come, let us first find
The round circles.
You too find it along with me. Here are the shapes of our circle. We will color them in black. Now, can you find the hidden?
Triangles here.
Come, let us color them with blue color. Now, can you find the hidden rectangles in the picture and
Fill them with green color.
absolutely right. Now, find the last hidden shape, square, and
Fill them with yellow color.
very good, children. You helped Tufan a lot. Now Tufan, with a colorful picture of his toy, started to search for it in the pond. Tufan found some fish in the pond. He showed the picture of his toy to those fishes and asked them if they had seen his toy. The fishes told Tufan that they have hidden his toy in a box. If he can make a picture of those fishes,
Using these shapes,
then they will take him to that box. Can you help?
Tufan to draw this picture.
Very good, children. You have made a very beautiful picture of a fish. The fishes were happy and took Tufan to the box where his toy was hidden. Tufan was very happy to see the box. A different pattern was made on the box. Tufan tried very hard to open the box, but the box did not open. Then a fish told him that to open the box, he would have to tell the total number of triangles in the pattern made on that box. Children, can you tell how many triangles are there in this pattern made on the box? Children, to find out how many triangles are there in this pattern made on the box, we will find out this way. Yes, there are a total of 10 triangles here. Now the fish opened the box and returned Tufan's toy. Children, in this lesson, we saw some interesting examples of recognizing different shapes We saw some interesting examples of identifying different shapes in the previous lesson. In this lesson, we will see some common mistakes related to it. Today at Chacha's house, Chanda and Golu are playing a unique game. Chacha will show them a shape and they will have to tell the name of that shape. Chacha will give a toffee to the one who recognizes the shape correctly.
Chacha first showed this piece of burfi?
Both Chanda and Golu started thinking. Both of them wrote their answers. Here is Chanda's answer and here is Golu's answer. Come, let us look at the piece of burfi that Chacha has shown. How many sides does it have? 4. And how many corners? 4. Is the length of all the sides of burfi equal? Yes.
Golu has written triangle as the answer.
How many sides does a triangle have? 3. And how many corners? 3. Chanda has written square
as her answer.
How many sides does a square have? 4. And how many corners? 4. Are all the sides of a square equal in length? Yes. So whose answer is correct? Yes, Chanda's answer, square, is absolutely correct. And Golu's answer, triangle, is incorrect. Chacha gave Chanda 1 toffee for her correct answer. Now Chacha showed a book and asked, "What shape is it?" Golu immediately wrote rectangle as his answer and Chanda wrote
square.
Children, can you tell whose answer is correct? Let us look at the book showed by Chacha. How many sides does the book have?
And how many corners? 4.
But is the length of all the sides of the book equal? No. Only the length of the opposite sides is the same. So, what shape is the book? The shape is rectangle. So, who will get the toffee? Golu. So, Golu's answer, a rectangle, was absolutely right. And Chanda's answer, square, was incorrect. Chacha gave Golu the toffee. And Chanda and Golu happily
went back to their homes.
Children, in this lesson, we have seen some common mistakes related to identifying different shapes.